Good day everyone, I am Danilo Tatad Turdilis of Dicent 3B from Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Pili Campus. In this video, I am going to show you my home-based garden and I will give you some tips about home-based gardening. So, no further ado, let's start! Wait! Before we start, let us first travel back in time in order for me to show how I made my home-based garden. And 1, 2, 3, and now I am now going to show you my simple home-based garden. So that is my home-based garden, and before this video end, I am going to share to you what this home-based gardening taught me. So in making this home-based garden, I realized that agriculture is indeed plays a vital role in our life because we can't deny the fact that we are dependent to it in order for us to survive. And during this time of where we are battling with COVID-19 pandemic, I realized that home-based gardening is necessary because if there is something happens like food shortage, we can secure to ourselves that we have foods or vegetables that we can harvest in our backyards, in our garden for us to fill our stomach. And also we can help or share them to other people that lacking of food or that needs food in order for them to fill also their stomach. So, once again, I am Danilo Tatad Flordelis saying that agriculture center us and we should not waste the food that we eat because it is the fruit of the farmer's sweat. Keep safe everyone.